New tonight, a woman does not want to wait any longer to see her brother's killer put to death. The governor holding off on issuing the death penalty warrant, but the victim's family is asking if she has the authority to do that. Political reporter Mark Phillips is following the death penalty debate.
Aaron Gunches was sentenced to death for the 2002 murder of Ted Price. He's scheduled to die April 6th.
If the state of Arizona is executing people in the name of Arizonans, Arizonans deserve transparency around that process.
In January, Governor Hobbs signed an executive order calling for a review of the state's death penalty protocols. Earlier this month, she postponed the Gunches execution. In a filing with the state Supreme Court, lawyers for Karen Price requested it order the governor to carry out the death warrant the court issued. In a separate filing, lawyers for the governor and Department of Corrections said the department is not currently prepared to execute Gunches. And on Wednesday night, Senate President Warren Peterson and Speaker of the House Ben Toma filed their own brief with the court, alleging, among other things, the governor is violating the separation of powers.
The statute has to allow for a situation like this, where the governor comes forward and says, we can't proceed because we don't have the staff, we don't have the drugs, we don't have qualified people to participate on the execution team.
In a statement to the Associated Press, Karen Price said her family is being victimized by the governor's failure to recognize and uphold our constitutional rights to justice and finality. The state Supreme Court has not yet scheduled a date to hear the request to order the execution of Aaron Gunches. Mark Phillips, ABC 15, Arizona.
Mark, thanks. And Gunches is one of 110 inmates on death row, and among the 21 who've exhausted all appeals. This legal limbo could also impact others waiting for their sentences. About 90 other inmates are on death row, but can still appeal those sentences.